students. Data frame we have already mostly main topic we have already completed. Now in data frame some of the things are very different. So we are discussing about these things like matching and broadcasting operation. Broadcasting comes from NumPy. NumPy means numerical pi. It is output that result when we perform operation between n-dimensional array. N-dimension means one dimension, two dimension, and n dimension. It would be panel, data frame, and series. If we are using one dimension, then series will be used. If we are using two dimension, then data frame will be used. If we are using more than two dimension, that means panel will be used. So these three things, according to situation, we can use it. Or scalar value. Scalar value is fixed value like 10, 15, 10, 15, 30, 40. These are the things which we can use it. Broadcasting is the method offered by pandas while dealing with arrays of different shapes by performing arithmetic operations. In this method, usually the smaller array. That means we can perform it arithmetic or operation like plus, minus, multiply, divide. This thing we have already done in case of series. Broadcast across the larger array so that they have compatible shapes. Broadcast provide means of vectorization of array operation will allow accessing each and every element of data frame. In other words, one pair of array for performing necessary operations. However, broadcasting is not recommended as it leads to sufficient use of memory. Let's go down. Now next is like we are just the practical implementation how the things is going on. To perform broadcast operation on two ways of similar shape. Similar shape that is दोनों में shape एक ही है single dimension. Like let's just see these examples. These are two series. A equals to 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 and B equals to 5, 8, 9, 4, 10. To implement broadcasting, that means plus minus or whatever we want to perform. Like B equals to series 2, 5, 6, 8, B equals to 5, 8, 9, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One variable is A, one variable is B. DF equals to PD dot data frame A, DF2 equals to PD dot data frame B. Now print it S1 dot ST1 dot PY. It will print it first 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. DF 5, 8, 9, 4, 10. Now adding it 2 and 5, 7, 5 and 8, 13, 6 and 9, 15, 7, 4, 11. And next is 8 and 10, 18. Now same thing we can use it in program. We'll do practical so that we can understand very properly. I have created same program. Like I have written import pandas as PD. A equals to 24, 54, 56, 78, 18 and B equals to something. S1 dot equals to P1 dot data frame A, S2 equals to PD dot data frame B, S1 dot add S2. Either you can use it this add or you can use it direct. Now first I am using it direct. I am using direct. Direct means this one. S1 plus. So I'll run it. The processing is going on. 24 plus 12. Sorry, 23 plus 12. 35. 34 plus 32. 66. 53, 56 plus 53. 109. 78 plus 82. 160. 89 plus 90. 180. So these two values we can edit with two different data frames in series. We are implementing data frame using series. Now one more option is also there, that is called scalar value. We can use it in S1 upon 45. Like we can use it pre-installation and we can run it so that it could understand properly. In this case, only first add with second one. Now see, this answer will come this one, and this answer will come this one. S1 23 plus 45, 68. 34 plus 45, 79. 56 plus 45, 101. 78 plus 45, 126. 89 plus 45, 1. So I hope you better understand S1 plus S2. Now this the another approach is also there. One another thing is there, that is called add method. We have already defined it method that is called add, like this one. I'll hide it this too. S1 dot S2. So this thing and this thing will be same. I'll write it here print. It will say. So I want to say this one and this one in this thing. Like output is same. S1 plus S2, 23 plus 12, 35. This one 35 and this one is this. Then 34 plus 32, 66. 34 plus 32, 66. So what I mean to say, S1 plus S2, either you can use it with two different data frames, or you can use it with another approach. The output is same. Now next thing is that while working with scalar value we have already the single constant value shall be added. Previous program we have already added df plus 50, 45 marks will be added. So that is called scalar value. df plus 50, whatever number is there, it will add it at 50. Like 2 plus 50, it will add it 50. So it is called scalar value. In previous program we have already seen it, that is the 45, like this one. That is called scalar value. So I hope you understood. Now next is broadcasting using one DRM. One DRM is series. The array which is second data frame is of different shape as compared to the first. We have to broadcast or spread B, which is an array vertical, to match both elements of the array. Import panda SPD. A equals to 256589. It is a two-dimensional array. One is 256 and another one is 589. Df equals to pt dot data frame A. Print df. It will print it 256589. We know it. Now after that, We can use it scalar value in all values like df plus 10, df plus 50, df plus 100. So we can implement it so that we can understand the thing how we can add it. Broadcasting using 1D array. Now we can implement to program. I'll take it in this comment. Broadcasting using single language. Program for now import pandas as PD. S equals to array level, series array 12, 23, 34, second. First I'll print it. Now the thing is that this two-dimensional will print it. Now what we are doing, we can add it all the values. Like how we can add it. Lesson and print df plus we can add 50 and run it. Now see it. First 12, 45, 23, 56, 34. This is this one. Now in second case 50 will add it. 12 plus 50, 62, 73, 34 plus 50, 84, 45 plus 50, 95, 56 plus 50, 106, 67 plus 50, 107. Now this is called one-dimensional array. How to use it? Broadcast. Broadcast means any value will be added in any dimension, like series or any other thing. In previous program, it is a single dimension because one dimension is given here. Here one dimension and one dimension. Add it and our answer is also one dimension. Here two dimension is that here. Two dimension will print it and two dimension will add it. Single value will add in all options. That is the most important thing. So I think the scalar value concept should be clear. Now, very important thing that will be understood properly, and how to do it, like how to find missing data and how to find filling values. Again, very important thing. Very important things are there. The value with no computational significance are called missing value. If value is not there, that time we can say it is a missing value. In other words, missing data is the data which is undefined or unavailable, or for which user has not entered any value. That means the value is not defined. Pandas allocate this missing value with a name. Name means not a number. We have already done it in case of series n. N is a small. Capital N, A is small. So these are the things. Now, how to do it? A equals to 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one dimension, then second dimension, then third dimension, and then fourth dimension. This four dimension is there. How to do it? For five values, one value, for two values, three values. Now dimension is you can say four dimension. This is one dimension, second dimension, three dimension, and four. Although it is a two dimensional, but just think it. In case of first five values, so 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all values of first dimension. Second one, first is 8 and remaining is not mentioned. Here there is no remaining value. So remaining jab where mentioned where it is not mentioned, that time it is called NA. Then third one 10 4, again 10 4, remaining is name, because होना ये था कि 2 5 6 7 8, तो यहाँ पर 8, यहाँ पर 10 and 4, यहाँ पर 5 8 9. So if we bifurcate it, so remaining again 10 4, remaining is 5 8 9, 2 remaining is. These are the things which name is mentioned. Now when name is mentioned, after that, when you want to fill missing value, that time it is used fillna. Fillna is a function which is fill the value where your value is not mentioned, that is name is there. So जितनी जगह name है, all name values will be will replaced with 0. Now we can do it how to use fillna. We'll do it in single program. Here. Uh, 20. These are the three data frames. 1, 20. Now S2 2 3 4. Scalar value will add ये ऐड हो जाएगी। S1 p values, S2 स्केलर वैल्यू विल बी एडेड, और फिर S2 में भी तीन डेटा है S2। अब देखते हैं, विल रन इट वन बाय वन। We can use it print slash n so that we could understand properly. Again, we'll run it. First S2 23, 34, 56, 5, 6, 7, 3, 5, 8. This S2 will print it this value. 0 row, 0 column, 1 row, 1 column, 2 row, 2 column. This is called row and this is called column. Second, we can add it scalar value 2, 3, 4. If we write it only 2, it will add it 2 everywhere. Year. But 2, 3, 4. 2 year added, 3 year added, and 4 year added. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That means this all 2, 3 value will be added here, then add here, then add here. That is second scalar value will be added in row wise. Now next is A equals to 23, 34, 56, 5, 6, 35. Now see, three values, 5, 6, only two values. Third value is not mentioned, so here we have mentioned it main. Then again 3, 5 main. Now one more thing, where all values are there, we can use it fill now. Print again, run it. Again we can run it, so it will not. These two values main will be print by filling it in. Now one another option is also there. S2, 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 and filling. And one more option. Suppose if you want to print in a specific location, and we can use it. Fill now. Like first, again, I'm closing it. This one. Like in second position, 56. Print you can hide it. Now run. Unexpected end of file. So run it. Suppose save fast. ये हो गया. Now second. This one. 0. Filna 0. This will print it 0. Now one another option. Replace with constant value. 0 a minus 1 minus 8 1 minus 2 10 2 minus 5. First column value is replaced with minus 8 10 5. We can replace it. So minus 8 minus 10 and 5. Minus 10 minus 5. Minus 8. Minus 0 position में minus 8 not required. अब वो उसमें क्या है? सेम थिंग. EPC 2 पे 0 1 2. We can create a separate program. हम इसका एक separate program बना लेते हैं. Program for फिलना function. तो उसमें क्या? Let us set me the clear. 1 2 1 2 3. ये हो गया. This is the thing of फिलना. Second 56. अभी शायद this will not run it. First we'll see. फिलना 256 256. पहले हम इसको भी hide कर देते. Again we can hide it. Now we'll run it. Then अब फर्स्ट रो का थर्ड 1 3 और 2 3. 1 3 and 2 3. 1 3 1 3 and 2 3. The same value we can add it. Comma 1 3 1 3 and 2 3. 1 पे वो है. So that will row will calculate it. Simple bracket, curly bracket, column is is2 dot 3. 1 column 56. You can give it. 2 column 67. 0 row, first row, second row. Second row का third column. One 0 रो माइनस 1 का माइनस 10 स्पेन कहाँ है 0 का माइनस 1 का माइनस 10 तो 2 का माइनस 1 two things is defined 0 एक्टिव वैल्यू नहीं है और फिल्मा मेथड ऐसे लेफ्ट फिल मतलब जो ऊपर का ही ऐसा कैसे रखा हम ऐसे we can use it first ऐसे then we can understood properly the meaning of ffill is very simple filler method equals to ffill automatically filling whatever value is there 56 is there here 9 is there 56 will come 9 is there 56 will so whatever value is there in upper side it will print it like we can also see it in this program like this one ffill is there ffill is there all the values like 8 all 8 will come 7 all 7 will come 6 here 6 whatever row is there in above side it will print it 5 so that is called fill now so I think I hope this concept is clear and I don't think any doubt is there because this is a fill now function broadcast value with missing value and fill now function and a fill method you can use it. And one more thing there is no n value in the column with index 0. No value has been replaced. But in other two columns, one column and two columns, they have replaced with minus 10 and minus 5. Zero column, minus 8. Value is already there. One column, one column. It's a zero column, first column, second column. So you have to use a 0, 1, 2. Same thing. Zero, 1, 2. You can try it. First column will be replaced with minus 8. Second missing column. First column अच्छा कॉलम के अकॉर्डिंग है ना तो कॉलम के अकॉर्डिंग जो वैल्यू आ रही है 0, 1, 2 सेकंड कॉलम की वैल्यू आ रही है नहीं सेकंड कॉलम पे वैल्यू आ रही है और सेकंड कॉलम पे यहाँ पे वैल्यू आ रही है 0 और 1 पे भी दे सकते हैं यू कैन टेक इट so I think this concept is clear. I hope you understood properly. If there is any doubt, you can ping me on my number or Write it in comment box if you have any query.